It's a fun lesson of creativity, unity, and curiosity. During the last week of Term 2, nagkaroon kami ng isang hands-on, super engaging na activity, raft making. Pero bago ang lahat, we started with a reading session. Binasa muna ng klase ko ang isang simpleng teksto, simple text, tungkol sa history ng raft making and kung paano ito ginagawa. Akala ko ready na sila kaagad to create one, pero hindi pala. I had to prompt them with a question. What materials do we have around us that we don't need anymore? I was hoping they'd say plastic bottles kasi enviro class kami and we've been collecting recyclables. Pero hindi eh. They chose cardboards. Oh, okay, I said. Let's see how long will it last on water. Each group came up with their own design using a mix of cardboard, bottles, and containers. Tapos, syempre, tape. I wasn't too happy with the tape idea kasi I knew it won't survive sa tubig. Then, dinala ko sila sa school pool to test their creations. And wow, they had so much fun. Pero tama nga ako. Habang lumilipas ang oras, the tape started coming off. At ang mga cardboard, unti-unting nabasa at nag-disintegrate. We did a reflection session for improvement. I asked them to bring home their rafts over the weekend to fix with their families. Sadly, isa lang ang nagbalik ng raft, and it still looked the same. I even posted a message on Class Dojo asking for support, pero wala masyadong response. So I decided to take it to the next level. Naalala ko may bamboo sticks pala ako from last year's tinikling dance. Nasa likod lang ng bahay, hindi ginagamit. I brought them to school and let the kids saw the sticks. Akala nila madali, but they quickly realized it takes strength and patience. A few managed to cut them into halves, but I finished the rest, of course. The next day, we talked about how to tie the sticks. No more tape or glue this time, I said. Nilagay ko sa harap nila ang mga tali. Blank stare. Tahimik. Looking at the floor. Parang may hinintay na sagot na lalabas sa hangin.
So you can pull it back easily when we're done.
And definitely I guided them to use YouTube. What word should we type to find the right video? Finally, may sumagot. That one, miss, it's about tying a raft. We watched it. Still, they weren't sure. I ended up modeling how to tie. Then slowly, a few got the hang of it. One girl shined. She helped both the boys and the girls' sides to finally complete the raft. Excitedness lang lahat. The boys proudly carried the bamboo raft as we walked to the pool for the second time. But halfway there, boom, the raft started falling apart. Loose ties. Napuno ako ng kaba at inis, pero I just said, hurry up and fix it by the poolside. By then, all the other classes had their rafts floating. Bottle rafts, popsicle stick rafts. Sobrang creative. Kami? Isa lang and it was in pieces. One of the boys who was holding it asked me for help, so I did, because I didn't want them to miss out. Miss, I don't think it's gonna float, the other one said. But after I finished, they laid it down carefully on the water. And guess what? It floated, of course. Everyone screamed with joy. Yes, I could have stuck with plastic bottles. I didn't have to go through the hassle of bringing bamboo, teaching how to sew, how to tie, but I did because I wanted them to experience it. And at their age, they now know how to measure, cut the bamboo, and deal with frustration, even myself. They felt the pressure of working with real materials and tight deadlines, and I'll never forget how I nearly lost my patience. But I didn't. This was more than raft making. It was teamwork, problem solving, resilience, real-world learning. And I hope they'll remember this forever. They will remember me forever.